When your phone starts running slow, you probably do what 99% of people do. Download some cleaner app from the Play Store, smash that big blue boost button, watch a fake little broom sweep across your screen, and assume your cache is gone. You are wrong. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Today, we are exposing the biggest scam in the Android world, the cache cleaner industry. And I'm going to show you why those one-tap boost apps are actually making your phone slower. The truth is, your cache isn't one giant pile of junk you can sweep away with a button. It's hidden inside every app, and 90% of it is being protected from those cleaner apps entirely. Let's get into it. Open the Play Store right now and search Cleaner. You'll see dozens of apps promising to speed up your phone and free up gigabytes of storage. They are doing almost nothing. Here's the truth nobody is telling you. Since Android 6.0, Google has blocked third-party apps from accessing the cache of other apps. When you hit Boost, the cleaner can only delete its own temporary files. The cache actually slowing your phone down? The bloated 2 gigabytes sitting inside Chrome, Instagram, and TikTok is completely untouched. Worse, these apps run in the background, display ads, and drain your battery just to do nothing. Whether I'm testing devices in the studio or working remotely down here in Cancun, I have 0 cleaner apps installed. Your phone is probably full of them. Let's fix that. Open your Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps. Tap the sort icon at the top and change it to Size. This puts the biggest storage hogs right at the top. Do not just tap any random app. The worst cache hoarders are always the same 3: your browser, your social apps, and your video apps. Start with Chrome. Tap it. This takes you into the deep system settings, the same screen we used in my last video to deep delete apps. Tap Storage. Here is where the magic happens, and where 99% of people make a catastrophic mistake. You'll see 2 buttons, Clear Data and Clear Cache. Most people panic tap Clear Data. Do not. Clear Data will nuke every password, every login, every saved setting. You'll be logged out of everything and starting from 0. What you want is Clear Cache. This wipes the temporary junk, the bloated images, the half-loaded videos, the duplicate data your apps have been hoarding for months, without touching your accounts or logins. Tap it. The cache is vaporized instantly. Now repeat for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. You'll be shocked how many gigabytes you reclaim. We are about to dive into the move almost nobody knows about. But real quick, if you are serious about taking total control of your device, I put together a completely free Mobile Privacy Shield guide. It is a zero BS checklist of every hidden privacy, security, and performance setting you need to tweak on your phone today. From evicting silent trackers to locking down your cloud backups so big tech can't touch them. Grab that free download from the link at the top of the description so your phone stops working against you. Now for the move almost nobody knows about. Your phone has a built-in deep cleaner buried in your system settings, more powerful than any third-party app you could ever download. Go back to Settings, tap Battery and Device Care. This is your phone's hidden command center. Tap Memory. You'll see exactly how much RAM is being eaten by background apps. Tap Clean Now. Your phone instantly purges every background process. Now back out and tap Storage. Scroll to the bottom. You'll see Trash and Other. Open Trash and delete anything old. Then open Other. This is where your phone hides leftover system files and orphaned data from apps you deleted months ago. Clear it. Absolutely 0 junk files are left behind. But clearing your cache is only half the battle. The apps you uninstall are leaving permanent database folders behind, eating gigabytes right now. Click the video on your screen. You are deleting apps wrong. Do this instead. I'll walk you through the 2-step deep delete to wipe an app's hidden database forever. Smash like, subscribe to the Software Navigator, and drop a comment with how many gigabytes you just reclaimed from Chrome alone.